Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to share with you. The JBL Live 416 headphones. The JBL Live 416 headphones come loaded with fantastic features that redefine your audio experience. Active noise cancellation. Say goodbye to distractions and immerse yourself in your favorite tunes with the active noise canceling feature. It blocks out external sounds, allowing you to fully focus on your music or call. Impressive battery life. These headphones boast an impressive battery life of up to 50 hours. Yes, you heard that right. You can enjoy days of uninterrupted music playback on a single charge. Voice assistant integration. Stay connected and get things done without reaching for your phone. With built-in voice assistant support, you can control your music, get directions, and manage calls hands-free. Comfortable design. The JBL Live 416 comes with soft ear cushions and an adjustable headband, ensuring a comfortable fit for long listening sessions. Immersive sound quality. Experience music like never before. The 40mm drivers deliver rich, powerful sound with deep bass and clear highs, making your favorite songs sound even better. Now that we've explored the features, let's discuss the top 3 pros of the JBL Live 416 headphones. Superior sound experience. The audio quality of these headphones is top-notch. Whether you're into high-energy tracks or soothing melodies, the JBL Live 416 delivers a crisp and immersive sound that enhances your listening pleasure. Exceptional noise cancellation. The active noise canceling feature effectively blocks out background noise, making these headphones perfect for traveling, commuting, or even just finding your own quiet space. Long-lasting battery. With a battery life of up to 50 hours, you can use these headphones for days without worrying about recharging them. It's a great feature for long trips or when you forget to charge them overnight. While the JBL Live 416 headphones are packed with features, there are a couple of cons you should be aware of. Bulky design. Some users might find the headphones a bit bulky, especially for the go use. However, the added comfort may outweigh the slight increase in size. Price point. These headphones are positioned in the premium range, which might not be budget-friendly for everyone. However, considering the quality and features they offer, many would argue it's worth the investment. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the JBL Live 416 headphones. Subscribe to our channel for more unbiased reviews, tech tips, and exciting product showcases. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy listening!